Any word on Rishabh Pant also?
Yes, of course, man. We cannot believe that how he can play to the crease last year. I mean, last inning, last game. Yeah, he was so hurt and he was so was not able to walk even, and he came to the crease and he was able to play the game. But we really appreciate and our love with him.
Okay, and what about the Oval? What do you think will happen there?
Oh, it's been definitely in Oval.
India.
Of course,
Okay.
India.
Come on.
No,
Love India.
yeah.
Always India. India!
So, what are your thoughts on the match?
No, after 2 days off, it was really exhilarating, and towards the end, it was definitely something pure exhibition of a test cricket. So definitely happy, going back with very good memories.
Yeah, we were not sure we want to come to day 5 or not. Happy we did come. After the first 2 wickets yesterday, it looked very gloomy. And same as today after Rahul and Gill got out, but it was really good batting from Jadeja and Sundar. So really happy.
And any word on Shubman Gill and KL Rahul's batting?
Definitely, I think they do inspire us. The whole Indian batting lineup definitely inspire us. We didn't book our return tickets. We were so hopeful. We have been watching the entire test series, have travelled everywhere with the Indian team. Looking forward to the contest in Oval. We will be there, Team India.
No, for sure. I think over the last decade or so, Indian team has never said die. They keep fighting until the last minute. This is testament to that as well. So really happy with the performance. Yes.
And any word on Rishabh Pant? Do you think his bravery in the first innings actually inspired and motivated the entire team to fight the way they did in the second innings?
No, for sure. Pant is definitely a warrior. He's seen a lot in his life, and he stays true to his warrior spirit. So really excited and how the Indian team has done. Yeah.
And you won't believe it, yesterday I posted my Insta story in the morning, and that's what I wrote, that come on Team India, do it for Pant, for what he did in the first innings, and that was what I had definitely posted.
Right, so and final word, what do you think will be at the Oval, at the end of the Oval test, what do you think the scoreline would be?
Hopefully 2-2. It's been a very topsy-turvy test series, right? And they said Bumrah will only play 3 tests. Not sure if he'll play the 4th or not. But having said that only the tests that India have played Bumrah, we didn't win. So not that it says anything about him, but we'll be okay either way is my point. Hopefully a 2-2 series. That will be the right result for this well-fought series, in my opinion.
Definitely 2-2. Nothing less than that, surely.
I think it was a wonderful match. We came here, we thought, India was in a position where came here for a draw, and they really played well. They started well, and they really fought hard to get to a draw.
We have to give you honest opinion. So, day 4, we thought they are not going to last the whole day. Simple as that. And when the India lost first 2 wickets in the first over, when they started their innings, it was almost like they are not going to survive for that whole day. But the way the guys have played, Shubman, then Rahul, then Jadeja and Washi, it was fantastic. The way they have actually pulled it out, amazing. No matter it's a draw, but it's a
We
really
thought
good
that
draw.
they will at least give it 10 hours for England to play, and but yeah, they played really well. Well done, Team India, everyone.
And any word on Rishabh Pant? You think India drew courage from his bravery?
I think there are very less players, who can show that courage when you are totally, you are broken, your foot is broken, and you came out and you played like, true champion. So we are thinking he will come today as well. But unfortunately, the other 2 guys played very well. So
I think if you look at in both the teams, Pant from India and Stokes from
Stroke
England.
from England.
Both the guys, they actually, they are absolute fighters. We know, what Stokes was going through in terms of his, bit of injury and niggle. Again, he fought it through the day. Pant, again, the way he came out to bat, absolute fantastic.
So so what expectations now going in the final match?
We are going to win it.
We are going to win.
Are you excited after India's draw? Do you think it's as good as a win? What do you feel about it?
We are super happy because, to be honest, we had lost hope by day before yesterday. We were quite worried that would we be able to see 5th day match. But then Indian team has just lived up to the mark and they played really well. And we are really super proud of entire Team India.
Which one player you found was the best for you? Who's your favorite in the Indian team?
To be honest, all of them are amazing, but I would just say that we have a little Rishabh Pant fan. You want to say something for Rishabh Pant? He is a big fan of Rishabh Pant.
It's Rishabh Pant. It was good when you were here, but after your leg injury, we suddenly had a lower chance of winning, but we still played really good. So it's like a very good resilience for India in this test series.
Yes, and we all are super happy, and we want Rishabh Pant to take care of his health and come back
And
rocking.
so what's your take on the scoreline now? Do you expect India's win at the Oval? What do you think?
100%, and I can say that now Team India is a team where we can believe in, we trust them, and yes, there are a lot of more wins for us.
How do you feel about this draw?
I think this was basically a win for India. I think this was the best case scenario, and India ended up showing great resilience. I think this was an awesome outcome ultimately.
So what do you have to say about Rishabh Pant's courage? Do you think Indian team got motivated after his resilience?
Yeah, absolutely. It was very. I think it was very motivating to see him, show up again after that fracture, which we all ended up seeing on the television. And I think that inspired the entire team. And when India came into bat on day 4, I think we were a bit disappointed. We were a bit skeptical as to how it will pan out. But ultimately, the way KL and Gale and then Sundar, he was awesome. And then Jadeja, everyone played their part, and it was just amazing to see. Ultimately the resilience that Indian team showed was, I think, by far the best thing. The same thing was showed in the previous test match also by Jadeja and the entire lineup thereafter, and the same in this match as well. I think this was very heartening to see.
So what are your expectations now going at the Oval?
Yeah, I think we are expecting the same kind of grit to be displayed, and I think this time India should be gunning for a win, not just a draw, but rather like a pure win, an undisputed win is what we want now.
What are your thoughts on the game? How did you enjoy it?
Game, well, this one was the first test we came to watch, and we think Shubman Gill and Washington and Ravi, they played very well, and so I'm probably going to go watch another match in the future, but yeah.
Are you happy that India drew the match?
Yeah, I'm very happy they didn't lose.
Okay.
But yeah.
And who's your favorite player?
Washington and Shubman Gill.
Okay, and
Yeah.
any word on Rishabh Pant? Did you see him come down to bat the other day with a fractured foot?
I think that was amazing, and it also shows the team support and how they persevering through everything and just to bat. So I think that's very good.
Okay, would you be there at the Oval now?
I'm going France then, so probably not.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you do support the team? Do you
Yes,
think
I
India
do,
would
yeah.
be able to win there?
Yeah, they definitely will. Yeah.
It was so fun. It was so nice. Really loved the thing.
Yeah, we were able to draw it from a position that we were not in strength.
Yeah.
So it was kind of good. Yeah.
Okay. And any word on how Shubman Gill played and how Washington Sundar, Ravindra Jadeja, KL Rahul, all of these batters, what do you have to say about that?
3 centuries in a day. Hate to miss out one more. Could have gotten 4.
Quite unexpected, to be honest.
They batted brilliantly today. They did bat brilliantly today.
It was so nice.
Yep.
Yeah, and what about Rishabh Pant? Do you have to say anything about him? उसकी बैटिंग, उसकी जो bravery थी, उसके कारण ऐसा नहीं लगा कि सारी टीम में उसके कारण एक strength आ गई?
लोग तो वेट कर रहे थे.
Yeah, I'm also
लोग तो वेट कर रहे थे.
Yeah.
ये तो देहरादून से ही है तो.
So I'm from the same town, so I'm waiting for him. He didn't get, but
अगली बार देख लेंगे.
But first innings में जिस तरीके से वो टूटे पाँव के साथ वापस आए, उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
स्ट्रेंथ तो उन्होंने दिखाई, डिटर्मिनेशन दिखाई, टीम के साथ खड़े रहे, इंजर्ड थे फिर भी खेले. And then people were waiting for him today as well, but 3 centuries in a day, couldn't ask for more.
कितना मजा आया आपको इस मैच में?
it was so nice.
It was fun, it was worth every single penny that we spent on it.
Yeah, exactly.
And it was a day to remember.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, and there's a rivalry going around, Jadeja versus Stokes. आपने देखा इस पूरे मैच में स्टोक्स ने भी 5 विकेट लिए, सेंचुरी बनाई, जडेजा ने 4 विकेट लिए थे और सेंचुरी बना दी है, और जडेजा ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्म करते आ रहे हैं पूरी सीरीज़ में। क्या लगता है कौन बेटर है दोनों में?
विल गो फॉर जडेजा डेफिनेटली, लेकिन कंपेयर तो नहीं कर सकते। एक फास्ट बॉलर है, एक स्पिनर है, दोनों की अपनी अपनी शैली है, दोनों अपने अपने इसमें फेमस है। लेकिन अभी बोलने के लिए तो है कंट्रोवर्सी, लेकिन बोथ आर गुड एट देयर ओन प्लेस।
ओके, एंड सो नाउ व्हाट एक्सपेक्टेशंस फाइनल मैच के लिए आपके, क्या सोच रहे हो आप?
Would be good if we were able to draw the series. With this one draw, 2-2 would be really nice rather than being on the losing side. But we'll cheer up in the King's Oval as well. Hopefully India wins the next one.
Yeah, we'll definitely go there.
What's your reaction, you know, after India has drawn this match? Is it like a win? What are your feelings?
So actually I'm feeling really good. बहुत अच्छा लगा ये मैच देखने, मतलब शुभमन गिल का 100 देखने मिला, बाद में जडेजा का 100 देखने मिला और वॉशिंगटन का 100 देखने, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और द वे दे शो द एफर्ट, आई मीन द वे दे शोड द कैरेक्टर ऑन द फील्ड, इट वाज ट्रेमेंडस टू सी। सो यस, रियली हैप्पी फॉर इंडिया।
Okay. And yours? What are your feelings on the match?
Absolutely, it was a great match. It was a twister till the end. We didn't know what would happen. So बहुत अच्छा लगा देखे, सब players ने बहुत अच्छा try किया. So it was a good match.
And who would you point out as like the best player in the match?
I would say it was a team effort because everyone actually chipped in. So KL Rahul, Shubman Gill, Jadeja, Washington Sundar. So everyone chipped in, everyone did their really best. So I will say it was proper team effort.
And any one memory that you would take away from the match? Would it be like Rishabh Pant, you know, coming down with a?
Yes, I would.
100%
Yes, 100% because the way.
बहुत fighting spirit थी और for him to come down और इतने pain के साथ खेलना is amazing.
Yeah. And so, what are your expectations from the Oval Test now?
Of course, as I have talked about this before, that India is playing really good cricket. So hopefully the same attitude and the same cricket we'll get to see in future this match.
Great. And will we see you guys support India at the Oval?
Probably yes, I think so because I have a break. So probably yes, we'll come down to go.
क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर, हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर।